Brace for the cold, understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, brace for the cold. This expression is not just about weather. It's packed with meaning and imagery. Stay with us as we unpack its significance and usage, making your English learning journey a bit warmer. At its core, brace for the cold is an idiom that means to prepare oneself for a period of cold weather. However, it's not just about putting on a coat or turning up the heater. The word brace implies a sense of preparing for something difficult or unpleasant. In this case, the cold. It suggests a proactive stance, where one is getting ready to face the challenges that the cold weather might bring. Brace. The term brace is a verb that means to make someone or something stronger or more solid. It also has the connotation of steadying oneself against something challenging. This part of the phrase is simply a preposition that introduces the reason or purpose for bracing. Cold. In this context, cold refers to cold weather conditions, but metaphorically, it can represent any challenging or uncomfortable situation. Now, let's see how this phrase can be woven into everyday conversation or writing. 1. As a literal advice, don't forget to brace for the cold before you leave the house. It's freezing outside. 2. Metaphorically, the company is bracing for the cold economic climate expected in the next quarter. 3. As a warning, we need to brace for the cold. The weather forecast predicts a sharp drop in temperature tonight. This phrase is commonly used in English-speaking countries, especially those experiencing significant seasonal changes. It's a versatile expression that can be applied in various contexts beyond weather, such as economic downturns, difficult personal circumstances, or any upcoming challenges. Understanding its usage can help non-native speakers grasp the subtleties of English expressions and idioms. We hope this exploration of the phrase, brace for the cold, has not only warmed up your English language skills but also prepared you to tackle the challenges of learning idioms and expressions. Remember, idioms like these enrich your conversations and writing, adding depth and color. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to helping you navigate the exciting world of English in our next video. Stay warm, stay prepared, and keep learning.